Hi people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faith, men's personal style consultant and personal shopper based in Lagos, Nigeria. If you are new here, you are on the side of YouTube where I talk all things personal styling tips for men and personal shopping tips for those that are looking to start a business in personal shopping, especially those that are based in Nigeria, looking to shop from places like the UK, the US to Nigeria because we have lots of restrictions. And as you can tell, I am going to be talking personal shopping today because we have this box right here. It's been a while we've unboxed anything on this channel, and I want to bring back that unboxing and styling or unboxing and chatting segment of my channel. This is going to be a very quick one, and I just want to unbox this here to show you once again that there are literally no limits to what you can shop as a personal shopper. You just have to decide your own niche and stick to it, or spread your wings and shop all things legal. All right, it is important that the things that you are shopping are legal and they can enter into whichever country that you are shopping into without any violation of laws. All right, so this box it looks very small. It looks small. Today is not about styling anything because this is from a first-time client, and we bagged these items from 2024 Black Friday sales. And what you would see here is makeup items. So I'm going to be putting a video showing the items one after the other, but I'm just going to bring them out very quickly so that you can see is makeup items, skincare products from top brands. Like this is from Rhode. This is an eyeshadow palette from Dasique. This is ELF. This is Fenty Beauty eyeliner. This is Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This is Tirtir. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but it's a matte fit red cushion item for your eyes. This is from Huda Beauty. We have quite a number of products from certain places like Huda Beauty, and this is a blush filtered. And then I have this lip oil from Gisou, and I have another item from Gisou. Actually, when we ordered 2 items from Gisou, these 2 items from Gisou, I got this for my client, scented candle as a complimentary gift from Gisou. So this goes to my client, okay? So we're going to be talking about things like this, like when you get a complimentary gift that comes with an order, who owns it? Is it you as the personal shopper or the client? This is also from Rhode. This is also from Huda Beauty. My client went all out, okay? All out. This is shea butter peptide from Rhode as well. This is Fenty Beauty, another Fenty Beauty product. This is a Huda Beauty brow eye duo. So it is a mascara and eyeliner. And you see all the items we got for my clients. Are you counting? This is ELF. This is a powder. Yes, a pressed powder. Another Huda Beauty product. This is Anastasia Beverly Huda Beauty as well. This is from Etude. It's a water tint. I think this is a nail polish. I don't know what it is. And this is a moisturizer, color wow. And yeah, the box is empty, and there are certain gifts that are in that box that came with my client's order. So the questions I want to address in this very short video is when you order items for your client and you get like a discount or a bonus, or they give you this discount code because you have signed up, who owns it? Is it for you or for your client? As a personal shopper, you own it, okay? If you buy things for your client and then it comes with a complimentary gift like this scented candle, your client owns it. Yes, it is your client that owns it because you are shopping for your client, and then this was added to the things that you bought for your clients. But if you signed up and then they tell you, oh, grab this as a discount code, blah, 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 that's your code. You can now decide, maybe you have this faithful client that is always shopping. You can decide to share your discount code with your clients, or you can put on your Instagram page and be like, you know what, guys, ladies, I had a discount code that gives me extra 20% off from Fenty Beauty or from whatever, from Gucci, from name your favorite brand, and then you can decide to share that with them so that you all order and you can apply that discount code. Or you can treat yourself and use it for yourself, because that code comes into your mailbox because you have signed up. And that is why I always tell you that that is one of the advantages of being a personal shopper. You can tell your clients that I have a code. You don't need to tell them where the code is from, or I can get you extra 20% off. They don't need to know where it's from. That's between you and yourself. But you can also let your clients know that, see, because I'm a frequent shopper on so place, I'll be giving these discounts and I want to share it with you. Okay, so that is your own, you can decide to do that by yourself. You can use your discretion to do that for your clients. Okay, another question I have gotten is, if you are shopping, you know, there are different methods of shopping. Go to my previous videos on personal shopping. I have a whole playlist on personal shopping videos, tips on how to get started, and the breakdown, all the details that you need to know. So someone has asked that, can we do direct shopping, meaning that it goes straight to the clients? Yes, you can. I answered the person in the comment section, yes, you can. And the person was like, okay, if I do that, what's going to happen to my gain? I'm guessing the person is saying maybe the profits, because they've quoted something else and then the price of the item would show something else. And what I always tell those that book my consultation is, you need to let your clients know the exact amount of whatever it is that you are ordering. As a matter of fact, if they are sending you links, they are going to see the price. So it is based on your own commission. You need to quote your commission. You need to tell them, this is my commission. You need to tell them, this is the rate. So even if you are ordering and sending directly to their address, there's not going to be anything like manipulated the prices. You need to be as transparent as possible in this business to be able to retain your clients. There is nothing to hide, because everybody literally has access to the internet. You just need to state, this is my rate, this is the commission I'm getting on shopping these items for you, this is the cost of the item, this is the cost of the shipping. All right, so this video is going to be short and simple. Like I said, if you have further questions regarding personal shopping, feel free to drop in the comment section, but I definitely recommend that you go over my previous videos. And if you cannot find the answer to any of the questions that you have, feel free to book a 40-minute consultation using the link showing on your screen right now and in the About Me section of this channel. Thank you once again for watching my video. I hope you have gained something, and I'm going to be putting the video of these products for you to see clearly. As you can see, I shop all things. It doesn't have to be just fashion items, makeup items as well. I'm able to help you to shop. And lastly, before I go, if you are new here, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop your comments on what you have found helpful in this particular video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.